What a day in the stock market. Over $40,000 in day trading profit and over $120,000 for the month of November. We have a very important stock market update and a recap you don't want to miss. Let's go.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I know if you test me.
What's going on, money team? It's your boy Jdun, Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having an amazing day. We are live and back on the money grind after an insane day in the stock market, a massive move up as you can see here. And so in this video, we're going to go over a day trading recap, how I made $40,000 in one single day trading in the stock market, a stock market update, how to deal with FOMO. I think we're all having a lot of it right now, what we see today and what to expect going forward, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading in the stock market. So my friends, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner, and let's get rich together. Now, I want to start by saying that of this massive move, I missed a lot of it. Right. And as you guys know, if you watch this channel, I traded some bigger size. So on these trades, I got a little over 30% on each of them. There was 2 trades that I took in particular that made me the most of my money. Now, I missed a lot of this. I missed even a good portion of this. But where I made money today was this. I was listening to Jay Powell talk. Now, what made the market move was Jay Powell came on at 1:30 Eastern time and he was talking about monetary policy, talking about the economy outlook going forward. And what really made us go up was him hinting that we might be decreasing our rate hike come December from 75 to 50 basis points. So the 2 big trades for me were this, right? First, I was watching for an overextension up here. So we saw this going up. We saw our volume going down, which is an anomaly. We also had previous resistance around 400 to 399. So around 398.4, this area, right around here, added my first part of puts. And second, at 399 at the very tip top, literally perfect fill, added my second part of puts. Saw us make this massive $3 move down, $2.80 move down. And I took my profits right around here. Right, saw that volume coming back in, saw our buyer stepping back in. We had our 8-day EMA there. So I caught the top of this with some good size all the way down. Now, as I saw us touch the 8-day EMA, right, saw this overall trend, I thought to myself, you know what, like it's not worth the risk, not worth trying to hold this. Thank God I didn't. I switched my bias to calls. Now, on the flip of a dime, this is where execution comes in. This is where it's hard to do anything but sit in, lock in, and trade. I saw that switched to calls right here, had a nice move up. Now I caught this right here, okay? Caught this move up to here, these 3 candles here, and I missed out on all of this right here. So that being said, did I leave $100,000, $200,000 on the table? Absolutely I did. I left a lot of money on the table, but for me, who averages around 5,000 a day, 40,000 is an incredible day. I've been trying to size up more, and it's finally coming to fruition. Now my next task as a trader is sizing up more and holding those trades longer so we can get those 6-figure and on days, 100,000, 150,000, which I'm telling you, if you're watching this channel now, you're early, it's coming. So did I miss a good portion of this? Yes, but were these moves enough with the contracts going crazy, 15, 20, 30, 40% moves up, down, etc.? Was that worth it to me? Yes, especially scalping with some size. Now, everyone's different. If I would have been trading with just a few contracts, sure, you can hold these longer in a volatile environment where it's news-driven. You can hold for big moves up, big moves down. But for me, scalping, day trading, 5, 10, 15-minute trades, that was worth it for me, and it paid off really nicely with those contracts moving insane with all the implied volatility and such going on. So that being said, overall, what led to that? Experience, time, seeing these events play out over and over. You know what really hurts is I was joking with a few of my homies. I was looking down here and I had this hunch that we were going to go up. But of course, again, hindsight's 2020. Who cares about a hunch? That's not a signal. And I sent a screenshot to my homies of contracts right around here at this 394.1 area, 0.2 area of a ton of contracts. And I was like, tell me I won. I'm going to send it. We're going up for Jay Powell. And of course, I didn't and missed out on most of this move. But nonetheless, still 40K on the day, scalping some nice percentages for 5, 10, 15-minute trades. We'll take it. So all that being said, what does this mean going forward? And what does this mean for FOMO? If you missed all of these trades. And if you didn't get a thing today, or if maybe you were trying to catch puts over and over at the top, or maybe you just didn't catch any trade at all, right? Or you read whatever it is, that's okay. These days, no matter what, whether you won, whether you lost, whether you didn't trade at all, invoke emotion, right? Because we see big move, instantly FOMO. We could have done this, could have done that, or I could have done this better, could have done that better. It doesn't matter. What matters is that we learn from it and go forward. On the bright side, even if you didn't take a single trade, what did we do? We finally broke out of this range. So now we closed above the 200-day SMA. We closed above this previous resistance of 403. This gives us the chance to move higher. Now, we also still, that we've been talking about, have this big weekly trend line right around here that we're very close to now, right? Getting very close to it. So I want to watch for this. Though, looking at this strong move up and how we're going so far, even at this weekly volume, it looks like we could potentially hit up here and then have an overshoot. My main watch for right now that I would love, more than likely love for a day trade tomorrow if we can keep this strength up, is a bounce around this previous resistance turn to support and a move higher. Now, I think we're going to see this 410 area. Now, the question is, do we overshoot above it to 410 or 412 or overshoot big time to 420? That's going to be decided, obviously, when we see that, but that's my main watch going into tomorrow. This is a very strong buying day with minimal drawdown. The last time we saw something like that, we had some pullback here. As you see, minimal drawdown, huge move up, and then we had some pullback here and a further move to the upside. So I'll be watching for something similar there. Little pullback for a dip and rip. If we don't get that, or if it just straight rips, we'll talk about that then. We'll play that then. And if it does dip and keep dipping, well, we'll see about that then too. So again, the big part of today, what I want you guys to remember is that FOMO is real, but it doesn't have to control your trading or mindset. Be happy for others. Clap for others. Your day is coming. I remember as a beginner trader seeing these types of days and being so frustrated because everyone else made money, or because I didn't make money, or because I screwed the bag, or this or that. But there's going to be more days like this. There's going to be tons of more opportunity. You got to look at that and look at the big picture. Clap for others. Say, okay, I'm going to learn from people who did this right, who made money, so I can make money next time. That's the mindset you got to have. Now, for me, again, there's also always FOMO, of course. Especially today, I left hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. Of course there's FOMO. But you know what? I followed my plan. I was cool. I did my scalps. I didn't honestly even really expect to trade very much at all in this area with this big news. But still, I caught some decent trades, and they paid very nicely up and down. So that being said, God bless. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to teach every day for free forever on this channel. I got your back, and it's of zero cost to you. God bless. I'll see you guys next time. Let's make some money tomorrow and Friday. See you guys next time. Peace.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip.